Using a savings account is a great way to grow your money while maintaining easy access to your funds. These accounts typically offer low interest rates and require a minimum balance to be maintained. However, they provide a safe haven for your money, thanks to federal insurance offered to banks and credit unions. In the U.S., the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, insures individual savings accounts up to $250,000 per business or institution, eliminating the risk of losing your money if the bank or credit union goes out of business. There are various types of savings accounts, each catering to different needs. Traditional savings accounts are ideal for those who want to save money while still having easy access, offering modest interest rates. Many people opt for a traditional savings account in conjunction with a checking account at the same bank. High-yield savings accounts, often offered by online banks, provide higher interest rates due to lower operational costs. Money market savings accounts offer higher interest rates to customers who maintain a higher minimum balance, often combining features of both savings and checking accounts, including debit cards and check writing capabilities. Student savings accounts, available to kids and teenagers, have lower minimum balance requirements and offer benefits for a certain period, depending on the account holder's age. Once the account holder becomes an adult, the account is converted to a regular savings account, and monthly fees apply. Overall, using a savings account is a straightforward and secure way to manage your finances.